I think the AME Excellence Award is a great roadmap to get there because it really focuses on waste and value stream mapping to improve your operations within your factory walls. The Shingle Prize is more dealing with the total enterprise and basically operational excellence at the corporate level. And they both fit very well together. So they're great tools for basically to, basically learn and grow your organizations. We've got the AME model, much like the Shingle model, dealing with a number of different footprints. We have, for the individual, we have the bronze, silver, and gold personal certification award. And a lot of the events we run for AME qualify for the portfolio that you have to put together to apply for those recognitions. It's a combination of exams plus a portfolio to prove that you have done lean initiatives. The AME Excellence Award, a lot of the courses that we run focus on the elements on the 5 different sections of the award in regards to meeting and training you how to meet those criteria and how to use those tools. So it's all about engagement and tooling. The key is you really have to engage lean from the top. You really have to understand what your value streams are and how your customer pulls those value streams and then how you can improve those value streams to improve profitability and customer satisfaction. That's what it comes down to.